Hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one we are looking at Galaxy Next Generation. So of course we've been covering this one quite a lot recently, and that is because mainly over the past, I'd say about 10 days, we've been seeing a big increase on the way that this one has been moving. And of course it is down right now, so people are asking the question, is this one just going to be dead, or are we going to be seeing more growth? So of course, in tonight's video I'm giving all of my opinions and that kind of good stuff. If it sounds like a good plan, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because we are trying to grow the channel as fast as possible, so each subscriber does help. On top of that, if you want to come talk to us on Discord, you absolutely can. Link to our Discord is down in the description. And now that we have said all that stuff, let's jump straight in. So guys, when we're looking at our screen right now, we can see that Galaxy stock is worth 2 cents, actually 2.6 cents, so it's a relatively cheap stock at the minute, and of course it has been growing quite a lot over the past few weeks basically, and of course now we're reaching this point where it looks to be kind of leveling out and maybe even going back down. So I'm going to go back to Google's charts because it is going to show it a bit more clearly, but yeah, over the past 5 days we can see we are in the red by quite a substantial amount. Now don't get me wrong, this one is up by a few 100% I believe over the past few weeks. So of course it does make sense that we are down 24 or 25%, so fair enough for that. I definitely think it makes sense that we are seeing this sell-off after such a big increase, but my personal view on this one is going to be hard to predict anyway. Obviously with these very cheap stocks there is a high amount of risk because, well, you know, the market cap is so small, a lot of stuff can change, but looking at the company's business model, I am a fan in the sense that they have a lot of different contracts with a lot of schools and whatnot, and what they do is well needed right now, and I think the demand for it will go up in the future. So yeah, land a few more contracts. I definitely think that they could get some decent money with this one. When it comes to the actual profits and how long I would hold for, in my personal view, I would say at least a few months, if not a few years. And I know it's only a very cheap stock, but it's one of those ones where, you know, personally in my opinion, I'd buy like 10 or 20 pounds worth, and of course hold it for about 2 or 3 years. Honestly, I would only buy and hold what I can afford to lose, because we just don't know where a company like this is going in the future. Overall though, with the stock, I think it's fair enough that it's sold off. I think we definitely have a decent opportunity to make some gains back in the next week, and that's because, in my personal opinion, the rate of sell-off has been slowing since about the 7th of January, and of course now on the 8th we are looking pretty flat, to be honest, and even a little bit positive on the end of the day. So yeah, like I said, it's going to be kind of volatile to predict this one, but in my personal view, I think that we can see this one going back up in the next week. I would like to see a decent gain on this one, maybe 20%. And of course, either way, I would only risk what I can afford to lose, in my personal opinion, and I am not a financial advisor, but that is my view. So yeah guys, overall, is Galaxy stock a buy? I think it's hard to say, but I definitely can see some gains hopefully coming in the next week. So I hope you enjoyed my quick opinion. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.